Okay, guys, so in the bottle, are we ready?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
In the bottle, we have vinegar, which is an acid. That's what that is in the bottle, right?
Uh-huh.
Remember when you had your litmus paper from Mad Science?
Uh-huh.
An acid would be red. Now in the balloon, we have baking soda. Baking soda is a base that would be blue. What do you think happens if you mix the two of them together?
Blue.
What happens, River?
Blue. It makes blue.
You think it's going to make blue?
Yeah.
What do you think it's going to do, Violet?
Make red.
You think it's going to make red. Do you think anything else is going to happen?
Make it purple.
You think it's just going to change colors?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Lift the balloon up and shake it in.
Why it will make be purple. I was actually going to say that.
What's happening?
It's inflating the balloon.
It's going pretty fast. Let's get it in the sink just in case it blows up. So Violet, did it do what you thought it was going to do?
No.
No. What did it do?
It inflated.
It inflated the balloon. Why do you think it did that?
Because baking soda doesn't like this kind of water.
No, that's not water. It's vinegar, okay? And what happens is there's a chemical reaction when you mix an acid and a base, okay? And what happens when this chemical reaction happens is it gives off a gas.
It turned into water.
Kind of, yeah. It kind of neutralizes, right? But it turns into gas.
I want to go get
Okay,
another
and the
one.
gas fills up the balloon. Right? Hold on. So the gas fills up the balloon. What other kinds of chemical reactions do you think you can get?
I don't know.
What did you and River think was going to happen?
It was going to turn colors.
It was turn colors. Is that a type of chemical reaction?
No.
Turning colors?
I mean, yeah.
Yes. What else could happen? Could it maybe get hot or cold?
Yep.
Yep. Those are different kinds of
This
chemical
one got
reactions.
cold.
Did it get cold?
It's cold.
Yes.
Feel it.
Yeah, it did get kind of cold, didn't it? Yep. And then it gave off a gas, right? Do you guys want to do it again?
Yeah, I'm going to go get one.
Okay, we'll do it again. Okay, so now we're going to do it one more time. This time we have a birthday balloon, so everybody's wearing birthday hats. Okay. We know what's going to happen this time, right?
Uh-huh.
But it's blue. So what we also did is we put it in a jar so that the bottle won't tip over like it did last time.
I got pink.
Okay. You do have pink, River.
And you got a pink hat.
Are you guys ready?
Just kidding. You didn't ones.
We'll get it in a second, River. Okay,
Just
hold on,
kidding.
Violet. Just wait for River to get her balloon. Okay, are you guys ready to do the experiment?
Uh-huh.
All right, Violet, go ahead. Wiggle it all in there.
That happened faster. I want to do that.
It's getting bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and
Happy birthday!
bigger.
I can do that.
Good job, guys. Was that sweet? Is it cold again?
Uh-huh.
Can I feel it? Oh, don't do that. Oh, yes, it's cold. So, Violet and River, what do you think of that? What do you think of that science experiment?